go all the way in.
Okay.
You will keep complaining.
People, how can this die?
He's right there.
I'm the one who's home.
We're trying to
Bring
find him.
him home to the green planet.
He's in the basket.
His friend deeply moved needs a healing Earth people, our planet is dying. Find the one you call E.T. Bring him home to the green planet. His friend deeply moved needs a healing touch.
Supervise children. Hold on to lap restraints at all times.
Drum suit. Hi, friend over there.
All right.
Black handlebars. Hold down the yellow handbags on the black handlebars.
All right, ready?
Okay, why not? Let's get on an intergalactic journey. Hey, we got E.T. with us? Oh, he's right there. Okay. Oh, there he is.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET.
Oh, there he is. Look.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See, he's coming at us. By the street.
Hold it right there! Whoa!
Got him. At the bottom of the hill.
Look, see, there we are. We're flying around the moon. Who did the air conditioning?
I think they just turned the air conditioning is about to turn on the lights.
Jump for the water! Oh,
E.T. Go to Tikli. Hurry.
E.T. Go home. Quickly. Ouch.
Welcome home. You can turn to us.
Or that.
You didn't give us the cards.
No, exactly. When I walked in, I'm like, no pre-show? And the lady's like,
Yeah, no pre-sale either.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle until you are asked to exit.
Welcome back, rescuers. Please remain seated, keeping your hands and your feet inside the vehicle. Once again, keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle.
yep.
Okay.